almost missed this fucking package today. Like, literally, I'm gonna check you out the short version. I was really looking, like, at my phone to see if my package got dropped off. It said something about, nobody come to the door. I'm like, what? Okay. This was delivered by USPS, so they usually should drop the shit off, but I guess the seller decided to, like, have me, like, sign something, I suppose. So when I went out there, the only thing that was left outside was, like, the little note, which means, like, I would have to go tomorrow to pick up this package, which I was not about to do. Well, I would have to do. But luckily, like, I wasn't even halfway to the bus stop, because I take the bus to work. I literally saw the mailman right there. I was like, hey, yo, you got my package? And he was like, he does. And I'm like, you didn't come back to the crib and bring it to me? He was like, for sure. So, shout out to the mail carrier for that, you know. He came in clutch. I'm so glad I got this. Because, in this package right here, some heat. And when I mean heat, I mean some heat. So, y'all know, it's been like a month since I done an unboxing and sneak review, so, because again, like, I haven't really caught anything, try to slow down a bit on sneakers, but, I've been trying to, run raffles here and there, but, you know, y'all know how it is, the raffle just, it's in my luck. So, we better go ahead and just open these bad boys up. Got my knife here about to, go ahead and open that up. So, also, I'm going to show y'all right here, so, that got a hole, unfortunately, but that's what it is. So, I did get this off of eBay, of course, and I did take a little sneak peek of it, because, you know, it does have a hole in it and stuff like that. This shoe does not come with the original box, unfortunately, but, you know, I did look carefully at the shoes, and they looked good to me. Doesn't come with the original box. It looked like it was, like, wrapped up in, like, some bubble wrap, which that could be a red flag, meaning that, like, I could have gotten some fakes, but I looked at his reviews. It looked good so far, not one negative comment on there, so let's just go ahead and get straight into it. So, like I said before, I've been finding steals and deals here and there, but this one I definitely found a steal for sure. Yeah, I've been surprised at the shoe I got, but trying to slice the shoes. Gotta put that knife there. Alright, let's see here. Oh, yeah, I cannot wait for y'all to see this. Hold on. We bringing the light a little bit closer so y'all can see my black eyes. Yep, everything looks good. Thanks for your purchase. We look forward to doing business with you again on eBay. Facts, but got it from New York. So, like I said, New York and Connecticut, they're literally close together. So yeah, like New York and Connecticut are kind of close together. The boy got the Air Jordan 4 white cement. Yes, I know it's in bubble glass, but it's all good though. I should go ahead and take these out. Yeah, he wrapped these up pretty good. Matter of fact, if I can get the knife. Yeah, he wrapped these up pretty good. Like I said, they come with the original box. So, size 12, of course, thank God. I got the leather. The leather is good. Jumpman is good. Flight is good. Let's see. Stars still there as well. Oh, the air is still in there. Okay, alright, but and I will go ahead and open the shoe. Just throw this box down here. Oh, safety on this one. Unless it's dirty, I'm not sure. But yeah, he wrapped this up pretty good. So pretty much, like I said, I got this off of eBay. He wanted like $4.49, I believe. Well, I was actually able to get it for like $2.20. And the funny thing is, I looked up the shoe, and the shoes actually retail for $2.20, which is kind of crazy. So pretty much, I kind of paid retail, you know, plus shipping and eBay's fees. So I paid about like almost like $4.50.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
For these. smoked it, but I think I can clean these up. Yeah, Nike Air still in there, everything. Like, I could definitely clean these up, for sure, for sure. So here it is, the white cement with the Nike Air on the back, red Jumpman, the cement all over the shoe. Honestly, like I said, if I paid $250, I probably could have tried to go for a little bit lower because and I bought gloves because y'all know I'm not supposed to be touching shoes, that's especially like dirty, but it is what it is. But the condition of the shoe, it looks good and everything. I think minus this one right here, like chipping on the shoe. I don't know if y'all can tell that, but it is some chipping, paint chipping on like the edge of the shoe. I think I can paint that more than likely. I can more than likely paint it. I just gotta like find the right paint for it. But overall, the shoe looks good. But the stars is still on it, even though like it's kind of like fading a bit. But the stars are still on there, like almost all of the stars are still on there on both shoes, as y'all can see. So, I mean, honestly, paying $250, almost $250. I mean, not bad, but I probably could have gotten a little bit lower than that. But honestly, it looks good. Like I said, all I gotta do is just clean them up. But this is a steal right here, like literally, like I said, all I gotta do is just clean these up, just clean the bottom, clean those soles, clean the laces, because in the picture the laces are pretty dirty, so I definitely gotta clean the laces as well. Like everything about the shoe looks good. Like even the Nike Air is still intact. Let me see if I can take that. Is anything? Nothing's in the shoe. Let me just try to take the insole out real quick. 8 minutes into the video. I'm trying not to go past the limit to what I'm supposed to. But here it is, the Nike Air on there, black and everything. But on both shoes too. So that's actually gonna be it for this unboxing video, because again, I almost missed out on this today. Luckily, the man was still there. I'll fix it later. But yes, your boy finally got the Air Jordan 4 white cement. Like I said before, I'm gonna clean this up pretty good. I was thinking about doing like a cleaning video, but I'm probably not gonna do that. I'm just probably gonna take this time to like actually clean up the shoe myself. But like I said, the shoe looks good. Minus the chipping on the back of the shoe, the paint chipping. But honestly though, I can like if I can find like some white paint for it, I could definitely do that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and share the video. Watch my video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram so you can get up there and get a live stream, perfect and stuff like that. And let me know what you guys think of the Air Jordan 4 white cement. Let me know, do you guys still have your pair? Do you still got a DS? Or you won them so many times, or you never had a pair? Like honestly, these are must have. So y'all let me know. Sneaker review coming real soon, and battle of the Jordan 4s is definitely coming soon as well. Now that I got a pair of OG white cements. So that's gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching.